Bethany Beach. A lot of seagulls. Take you guys down and show you the ocean. Let me get my backpack. Zipper it up here. Here we go, group. Going to the beach. Check it out. A lot of people here today. Bethany Beach is quite busy. Ocean looks awesome. These are umbrella guys. Lifeguards are on duty. Beautiful. Oh yeah, this is where I live, guys. This is Bethany Beach. There's this bandstand where they have the bands, and they have a boardwalk. It's just beautiful here. This is why, you know, I probably will never sell my sticks and bricks. Because I rode my bike here. I just rode my bike here. I was here in 15 minutes. Okay, here's some video footage of Bethany Beach, one of our playground parks for the kids. And you can see it's pretty cool. There's some basketball courts over there, volleyball courts. And here's my bike. This is also Ruby. Only this is Ruby the second. This is my bike. There's my basket. I'm getting ready to go that way out to Route 1. And then I'll go straight across the highway and I'll be home in about 15 minutes. So yeah, it's getting a little overcast. The sky's still blue, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna head home. I enjoyed an iced coffee at the beach. Sat there and enjoyed it for a few minutes. And now I'm gonna head home and I'll catch up to you later. Woo, guys, I made it home. I rode my bike home and now I'm sitting on my front porch. This is my view from my front porch of my sticks and bricks. And there's my bike. That's Ruby too. And that's the view from my front door. Yeah, it's pretty cool here. I mean, like I said, I'm about 15-minute bike ride from the beach, Bethany Beach, Delaware. And I don't know, man, it's like, I don't think I'm gonna ever sell my sticks and bricks because I really like where I live. And in the wintertime, I'm planning on going out to Courtside this year in January. Minivan Lee is going to have a meetup in February, and I'm gonna join those people for that. But I'm gonna be boondocking in January and the whole month of February. Probably leave the first week of March to head back home here to the East Coast, but that way I get to snowbird out west and I can still come home to my house when I'm ready to come home and enjoy my van in the winter time when it gets cold here. So it's a pretty cool setup, and as long as I don't have a development to work this year, this winter, I can go down and I can go out west in the winter. So that's what I'm planning on doing, but I really like having a house, a home base to come home to. So I guess I'm like a part-time nomad. I'm not even a nomad, I guess. I'm a camper. I'm a camper nomad, if there's any such a thing. But I love my minivan, and I love camping, and I love being out in nature. And like, I ride my bike pretty much every day. I take walks every day. I enjoy nature around my home because there's so much to see in Delaware. There's so much to see at the beach. So yeah, you can have nature all around you no matter where you're at. So I pretty much never stay inside my house in the summertime. I'm always outside. And that's what I would do if I was riding around in my van, you know? Like as soon as I camp, I'm outside. Like I spend the night in my van, but I'm pretty much outside in my van the rest of the time. So I guess I'm a camper nomad, but as you can see, living in Bethany Beach, Delaware, what's not to love, man? You know, I'm real close to the ocean. I can go sit there and read a book, have a coffee on the beach, whatever I want to do, whenever I want to do it. I work in real estate, so I'm self-employed. I pretty much make my own hours. I can work when I want to work. Life is really good. I'm 62 now, and in 8 years I'm going to retire. And then I'll probably do more camping. I'll be doing more nomadic living then, because I'll have the freedom to do it whenever I want. So I could see me traveling a lot more when I retire. But now I'm still young enough and I'm very healthy, so I figure I might as well get out there and enjoy life now and do as much as I can now. So guys, I hope you had as wonderful a day as I did today. But like I said, it's June 2nd, 2021. Summer is springing and life is good in Bethany Beach, Delaware. East Coast. East Coast. Talk to you soon.